Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Mama Triple, and so in this video today I'm going to show you how I unbox this clothes that I got from C&A. Okay, I got it online and they just brought it, and actually I've been waiting for this package for a long time, for like more than 2 weeks, and finally they brought it today. So I'm super excited and I'm going to show you all what I got here. Okay, so don't go nowhere, sit back and unbox the stuff with me. Okay. So hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I just got this from C&A, okay, online. So I bought this stuff online and I decided to unbox it with you guys, what's inside. Okay, all right, so here we go. Let's open it. So the things, the list of everything that I bought here. Okay, so these are the things. This is a jacket for my son. I hope this is not too big. Let's see. If it's too big, I'm going to return it. Okay, no, it's not too big. It's exactly its size. Wow, that's nice. That's really, really nice. I like the color as well. All right, so that's that. So this is for my baby, for my princess. Oh, the cap is a bit big. Oh, wow. Let's see. It's a bit big, but what to do? Maybe next winter she can wear it. She can use it. You see, that's the problem with buying stuff online. And this is also for her. This is a baby set. I'm just going to bring this. Oh, this will fit perfectly. Wow, this is beautiful. I love it. This is 3 sets. They said it's newborn, for newborn. Okay, and that's the 3rd one. It's really beautiful. Wow, I love it. That one fits well. Okay, and this is the baby body, the one they used to hold the diaper. Oh yes, this is exactly a size. This is nice. It's 5 sets. 5 sets. Lovely. So lovely. So lovely. What is there? What is this? Cuddles and kisses. Cuddles and kisses. And my children are there making noise. In case you hear any noise from the background, they are from the boys. And my princess is on my back. Yeah, I just have to put her on my back so that she won't make too much noise while recording this. Okay, so that's for that. And this is also for my princess, for my jewel, my baby boo. This is also set. It's a set. Oh, the pant is a bit small, I guess, but the shirt is very okay. It's fine. Lovely. Okay, I got really lot of stuff for my princess. Okay, she has the most things here. Oh, that's a bit big. That's really big. Okay, and that's 2 sets. Okay, and it's 68. You see, number 68. Okay, Yeah, so this is also for my baby, also for her. That's a shirt, sorry, a pullover, sweatshirt, pullover, and a trouser. Okay, that's so it's also a bit big, but she'll fit in the clothes very soon. Okay, and this is for my boy, my big boy. This is from Minions, oder Minions. That's Unterhose. That's pants for the boy. Okay, that's like 5 sets. Yeah. Okay. And this is also for my big boy, 5 pieces of trouser. Okay. And this one is pajama for my second boy. This will fit perfectly. Let's see. Yes, this will fit very well, very perfectly. That's really nice. And the shirt as well. Wow, I love it. The shirt is also very nice. That's good. So here we go. Here is the trouser. Really nice. Like, it's really beautiful and very affordable. You see? So this is like 5 sets. Okay, that's the first one. That's the second one. Yeah, I guess you guys can see very well. You can see it clearly, I mean. That's the second. That's the third. Ooh. It's also 5 pieces. Sorry, altogether it's 5 pieces. And this also, oh, this is nice. This is chinos. Okay, that's like chinos. This one is also jeans. What that? Oh, yeah, this is a jeans as well. Wow, I really love it. This is like 5 pieces. Okay, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's 6 pieces. Oh, okay, that's like 2 jeans, 2 chinos, and 2 joggers. 2 joggers. Wow, that's really nice. I'm going to buy this set for my second boy. It's really nice. I just wanted to try it, to give it a try, but actually it's really nice. Oh wow, okay, so this is the pajama. So that's it, guys. It's really nice. Really nice. That's the pajama. Unterhose. My baby sweatshirt. Well, yes, you see my baby is almost crying. Yeah, so that's it, guys. That's all. That's what I bought, and that's how I unbox the stuff. Okay, guys, that's it. That's how I unbox this stuff, and this is what I got here. Okay, all right, so thank you guys for watching with me, for unboxing the clothes with me. Okay, I really appreciate you guys, and I say thank you so much for watching. And please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do so. Subscribe. Also, don't forget to click on the bell icon so that anytime I post a new video, you will always get the notification. Okay, please help me to share the video, share, and don't forget to give thumbs up also on the video. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all. I will say bye for now.